Do you get short of breath when running? Is your cycling performance poor? Do you snore at night and don't have pleasant dreams? Best Breathe has the solution for you, the new anatomical nasal dilator. By using this product, we can solve many problems which are associated with breathing. The new Best Breathe is an innovative system that gives us plenty of benefits by widening the nostrils, because it allows air to flow through the nose more effectively, thus solving problems in sports or at bedtime. Best Breathe helps you to improve nasal breathing disorders, and it is also recommended for people without any breathing problems. Whatever the circumstances, you'll always gain from using it. Playing sports with Best Breathe has many advantages. It gives us more oxygen with less effort, which increases our performance. It allows us to take deeper breaths and less frequently, thereby achieving a greater contact time between oxygen and blood, and thus using up less energy when breathing. With the new Best Breathe nasal dilator, problems that occur during hours of rest and sleep also have a solution. By not breathing properly through the nose, more often than not, snoring will take place, waking up with a dry mouth and throat that can be even painful at times, with the consequent negative effects. By not properly resting, during the day we'll feel tired, bad-tempered, and have a headache. By using Best Breathe, our sleep will become more deep and reparative. Correct nasal breathing activates detoxification mechanisms through deep breathing. Air enters without impurities through our nose filters and at the right temperature. These factors will result in an adequate time of rest for us and for those around us, who will no doubt appreciate it. This simple and inexpensive device is manufactured under strict quality controls and with medical-grade materials, free from allergic components. It is available in 3 sizes for a proper adaptation to each type of nose. It is discreet and easy to use, economic and reusable up to 60 times. Over previous models, it has several improvements. A new fastening system that is more comfortable, a better adaptability and fixation, and the air now flows between the device and the skin inside the nose as it is not airtight. A new incorporation of helices within the cylinders that increase the airflow and the effectiveness of the product as air threads its way in. A longer bridge between the cylinders to insert the device deeper into the nostrils if desired and to gain effectiveness. It also improves adaptability for people with separated nostrils. Best Breathe is a practical, simple and effective solution for nasal breathing problems. Best Breathe, the anatomical nasal dilator.